Hi, I'm Rob Hammock, and I graduated from Duke in 1993 with a bachelor's degree after double majoring in public policy and religion. I currently am a consultant focused on working with nonprofit affordable housing developers and community development loan funds. Although I'm based out of my home in Charlotte, North Carolina, my work has allowed me to travel across the country and work with organizations from Maine to California, but I have a soft spot for the Southeast and Mid-Atlantic regions. During this turbulent election season, I'm concerned about the impact on individuals and families that have lost jobs and are worried about how to pay their bills. In North Carolina, we have begun to see the unemployment rate head back down, but the brunt of the impact has not been borne equally amongst different racial and income groups, and we need more federal assistance. Here in Charlotte, as the lack of economic mobility has been an issue with growing attention in the last few years, we have seen how the banking and finance sectors have been able to more easily address stay-at-home orders and pivot to online working, while lower income workers have been more likely to have to continue in positions that put them at risk for COVID-19 or place their jobs in jeopardy. When I think back to the insight I gleaned from classes that I had on social policy or my education policy classes led by Dr. Klotfelter, I'm more keenly aware of how sustained disruption is furthering long-term trends of educational inequity as students adjust to online learning while under-equipped parents scrounge to find adequate resources for families and their children. Thankfully, I've had the opportunity to draw on my public policy skills by working with a local nonprofit affordable housing provider to analyze its services as it is implementing programs to help sustain individuals and families that need assistance with rent payments, mortgages, or utility bills. Public policy classes at Duke taught me that well-intended policy without a viable implementation plan will not lead to the outcomes desired. Thought and research need to lead to focused action. And this is part of the continued mission of Sanford that I really appreciate. Here back in Charlotte, thanks to the partnership between the city, the county, and the state, and other private parties, we are able to help stave off further economic hardship by providing payments that not only benefit the people, but also sustain those companies providing the housing. It is a true public-private effort to come together for the greater good because we realize that the long-term health and vitality of the city should not be limited to a few, but extended to all. My name is Rob Hammock, and this is why public policy matters.